Today's January 10th, 2023. This is Hildebrand Machinery Company, and we're going to do a video of our Trak Southwest Industries FHM7. This is our stock number 22181. This is a 40 taper bed type CNC mill. We've programmed some just basic operations in the machine, spindle speed changes, and we're going to end with a tapping cycle that will be shown here. So operator's going to hit start, and I'll actually turn the spindle on. There, they just press cycle start button. There's the graphic that's going to trace out what we're doing. Spindle speed's currently running 2,000 RPM. And there we drop down to 1,000 RPM. Now we're just going to move and increase the spindle speed. Those are just peck drill cycles. We're at 3,000 now. 4,000. And that's 5,000. That's for the tool change. And that's the tapping cycle. You can see the spindle reverse there. And that's the conclusion of the video. Come around here and do a shot of the table. A couple little spots there where they ran drills into it, a few places. Doesn't seem to be much more than the tip of the drill, really. But overall, we would still characterize the table as in good shape. Front metal way guard. There's the rear rolling cover way guard. Well, that's kind of tight. I won't be able to get a shot of the ways there. Electronic hand wheels. There's the control. USB and 3.5 floppy. Here we're moving the hand wheels in Y, and then X, and then Z. So that's the basic operation of the machine. If there are any questions, please feel free to ask. You can contact us through our website, hildebrandmachinery.com.